Got a sore throat? Here are 3 easy remedies to ease the pain fast. Remedy 1. Ginger tea. Boil fresh ginger in water for a few minutes and sip slowly. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritation and reduce pain. Remedy 2. Saltwater gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle. It kills bacteria and relieves discomfort almost instantly. Remedy 3. Honey with warm water. A spoonful of honey in warm water. Honey coats your throat, eases soreness, and has natural healing properties. Give these a try and feel the relief. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more easy health tips.